Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Goodbudget application. Keep watching the video till the end. To update your Goodbudget application, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Goodbudget and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on Goodbudget application. On the next page, tap on Update option just below your Goodbudget application to update the application. Here, as you can see, there is no update available in my case, so I won't be able to update my application. But if the updates are available, you can simply tap on Update button to update your Goodbudget application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.